guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm bringing you beautiful wooden Christmas trees. And for that, we are going to use this wood slats, these steering sticks, you know I love them, from Walmart, and a piece from those wood slats. Now, we're going to make two different types of wooden trees. So let's get started. For our palette Christmas trees, we're going to use our steering sticks and we're going to cut them to the size that we want them, just like that. And we're going to cut pieces to our liking. As you can see, I'm cutting a couple of them and using the rest to the top. One piece for the bottom, one for the top part, and that's it. Now I'm adding another piece, and that will be it. Just like that. Now I cut it, and we have it complete, so we can start gluing it like that. Now with our hot glue, we're gonna start adding some E6000 in the center, and it will be a mix of E6000 and hot glue. As you can see, I'm adding both of them, and I will continue gluing them. I'm gonna continue gluing that with my mix of E6000 and hot glue, just like that. And when I finish, I'm gonna attach my trees to its base, and the base are the wood slats. I cut a piece of that, and I'm gonna add some E6000, more hot glue, attach it, and then I'm gonna take two of the pieces of the top of the steering stick, those ones, and I'm gonna add one in the front, one in the back part to give it more stability and a cute look. And I'm just using hot glue for that one. After that's done, I'm gonna start staining it with a mix of paint and water, and I'm gonna use burnt umber with water, mix it really nicely, and then start applying it like that. And we're gonna clean it using a paper towel. We're gonna apply it all over it, and then we're gonna use a stencil like this one from Walmart, because I wanted to add some cute snowflakes. We're gonna add lots of snowflakes to our beautiful tree, and that will be it. We will have a cute Christmas tree. And now we take our wood slats and we're gonna stain them like we did with our Christmas tree. And when we stain them, all of them, we're gonna start with the base, cutting our base from our steering sticks. And after that, we stain the base, let it dry, and then glue it together with some E6000 and hot glue. Just like that, I'm adding some E6000, some hot glue in the center, and gluing it together. Now we're gonna start painting our Christmas trees to our sign. And I'm not using a pattern or any stencil or anything. I'm just painting them like that, using some white paint. And after we finish with our Christmas tree, that will be it. We will have a beautiful Christmas tree. And this is how they turned out. Those are the signs, the Christmas tree signs. And this is the palette kind of wooden Christmas tree. This is how it looks. It's huge. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.